All right, guys, welcome. This is Big Easy Sports Cards. I'm live on Breakers .tv doing a PYT three-box mixer, one high tech, one prime sig, one mini helmet. Also, if you don't know, if you buy into my next couple of breaks, I will be doing a promotion to give back a little. It's not gonna be like huge because I don't move like huge stuff, but we'll be giving back. So I got some rips in the room. We ready to go. We're gonna start off on. Let's start off on 15. Knock high tech out the way. Good luck, everybody. Let me know if something happens. I'm not live or something. Somebody let me know. All right. Still good, right? I'm still good, y'all. Ready to go? Somebody let me know. We got an Alvin Dupre for the Pittsburgh Steelers. We have a purple, Barry Sanders for the Lions. Lions goes to work, and I don't know if he's still in the room. We have a Williams for the Jets. We have a Trey Wayne for the Vikings. We have a Jay Ajayi for the Dolphins with a circle on top. I don't know if that means something. Brandon Marshall for the Jets. And a Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. And our autograph is not terrible, but not great. It's going to be for the Bears. Kevin White for the Bears. All right, let's see what Prime Sig has in store for us. Last time we hit a Patrick Lynch. Let's see what we hit this time. Before that, we hit a Scooby Wright. Before that, we hit an Antonio Freeman, number 5. For the Jaguars, Julius Thomas. Frank Gore for the Colts. Derek Carr for the Raiders. It is numbered to 149. For the Chargers, LT. Isaiah Crowell for the Browns. Well, at least we didn't get a crappy player. He's not the greatest player in the world, but it could be a lot worse. Number to 199, Connor Cook for the Raiders. That could have been a lot worse. Yeah, I'm surprised the Raiders didn't. Surprised the Raiders stayed there long. So I think the Raiders are T&D. All right, now the real reason why everybody bought in the mini helmet. That's the real reason why everybody bought in. Here's your mini helmet sealed, as you can see. Good luck. Let's hope for a big one. Wow. The Raiders just get more luck. For you Raiders. Willie Brown. Like I said, I was surprised the Raiders were still up there. Hall of Famer for the Raiders. Willie Brown. I'm not sure what year he played. Congratulations to the Raiders. Alright, thank you, Flying V. Like I said, everybody that's in the break will be put into a promotion. So make sure you check my Facebook when I do it to see if you win. And if you don't pay attention, I'll let you know if you win or not. So whoever got the Raiders did good this break. See y'all later.